Installing new windows is an exciting way to enhance your home's aesthetic, energy efficiency, and overall value. However, like any home improvement project, window installation can be a challenging task that requires precision. Whether you're installing windows yourself or hiring professionals, avoiding common mistakes is crucial to ensure your windows perform as expected for years to come. In this article, we'll discuss some of the most frequent window installation errors and offer tips on how to prevent them. Improper measurements. One of the most common mistakes during window installation is inaccurate measurements. Incorrect dimensions can lead to ill-fitting windows that cause drafts, leaks, and energy inefficiency. Windows that are too small may leave gaps, while windows that are too large can result in unnecessary gaps around the frame, requiring excessive caulking and insulation. How to avoid it? Always double-check your measurements, especially when replacing existing windows. Measure both the width and height of the window opening in multiple spots. For a proper fit, the new window should be slightly smaller than the rough opening to allow for insulation and expansion. If you're unsure about taking precise measurements, it's always a good idea to hire a professional to handle this part of the job. Neglecting to check for level and plumb. Even a small shift in the level or plumb, vertical alignment, of the window can cause significant long-term issues. Windows that aren't properly aligned may lead to difficulty opening and closing them, improper sealing, or water leakage over time. A misaligned window also creates problems for both aesthetics and functionality. How to avoid it? Use a level during installation to ensure the window frame is perfectly horizontal and vertical. Before securing the window, check for both level and plumb on all sides. If you find that the window isn't aligned correctly, adjust the placement before sealing it in. Taking time during this step can prevent a lot of frustration down the line. Poor flashing installation. Flashing is a material used to prevent water from leaking into the home around the window. If flashing isn't installed correctly, it can result in moisture infiltration, which can lead to mold growth, rot, and even structural damage. Proper flashing directs water away from the window and prevents it from seeping into the walls. How to avoid it? Install flashing correctly by overlapping it on top of the window's exterior trim and ensuring it extends beneath the siding. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper flashing placement to ensure that water is channeled away from the window. Additionally, use high-quality flashing materials that are durable and designed for your local climate conditions. Using insufficient insulation. Another mistake that homeowners often make during window installation is insufficient insulation. Gaps between the window frame and the rough opening can lead to significant air leaks, reducing the window's energy efficiency. Over time, poor insulation can cause your heating and cooling costs to rise, as well as impact indoor comfort. How to avoid it? Properly insulate the space around the window frame using high-quality foam or fiberglass insulation. Make sure to fill all gaps completely, especially in cold or hot climates where energy efficiency is important. Additionally, check for any gaps or cracks after installation and seal them with caulk or expanding foam to prevent drafts from entering your home. Failing to properly seal the window. Sealing your windows is an essential step in ensuring they are energy efficient and weather resistant. Without a proper seal, windows can let in drafts, moisture, and even dirt. A poor seal may also compromise the window's performance, making it harder to open or close the window and potentially reducing its lifespan. How to avoid it? When sealing your windows, use high-quality caulk around the edges of the window frame. Be sure to smooth out the caulk for a clean finish, and don't forget to seal all the corners and joints. It's also important to check the weather stripping to ensure a tight fit, especially if the window is in a high traffic area or subject to frequent temperature changes. Skipping the proper tools and materials. Using the wrong tools or materials for the job can lead to subpar window installation and long-term issues. It's tempting to use old or mismatched tools, but doing so could result in damaged windows or a poor installation job that doesn't provide optimal insulation or security. How to avoid it? Make sure to use the correct tools for the job, such as a level, drill, screws, and shims. If you're unsure about the specific materials needed for the job, consult the window manufacturer's instructions or ask a professional for recommendations. Using high-quality materials designed for your window type will ensure the best possible results. Conclusion: proper window installation is critical to maintaining your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and value. By being aware of common installation mistakes and knowing how to avoid them, you can ensure a successful window installation project. Whether you decide to tackle the installation yourself or hire a professional, take the time to get it right the first time to enjoy your new windows for years to come.